like paper boats. I watch them flow, no, no, no. My skin sinks in salty heat. No more love that tastes like deceit. La arena borra lo que duele. Piano glints like wet glass shine. Italics trace the new design. No more half-truths in my bed. Love was sticky, now it's seafoam. Jeju dust on my pesos. Para huir una raga. No echo, no chains, no roll. Love was heavy, now I'm made. Turquoise waves in my head. Jiuna nawa hikari ni naru. I breathe without your air. I breathe without your air. The sea keeps no name. Only sun and flame. I am the foam. Rising not alone. You were a drop, I'm the blue. Love was sticking, now it's seafoam. Jeju dust on my pesos. Para huir una raga. No echo, no chains, no roll. Love was heavy, now I'm light. Turquoise waves in my hair. Jiuna awa hikari ni naru. I breathe without your air. I breathe without your air. Jeju, espuma, bataju. I rise, I glow, I flow. Midnight breeze off the Han River still smells like your sunscreen. I swear I saw your shadow in the glow of a convenience store. Tangerine leaves in my pocket, dried up but won't let go. You said hasta luego like it meant forever, but forever's just a word I don't know. I keep walking but the night pulls me back to that Jeju shore where the tide held us intact. No importa cuánto corro, no puedo escapar. Your voice in the static, your name in the air. Air conditioner humming like the waves we used to count. Now my sheets stay tangled and the silence has a sound. You left your sunglasses on the dashboard of my mind. Every red light feels like waiting for a train you never caught in time. I keep walking but the night pulls me back to that Jeju shore where the tide held us intact. No importa cuánto corro, no puedo escapar. Your voice in the static, your name in the air. Sometimes I dial your number just to hear it ring. Not to speak, just to remember how summer used to sing. Yeah. The city's bright, but my room's dim. Got your postcard pen with a light slim. You wrote, wish you were here in blue ink. Now I'm swimming in what could have been. Moonlight's cheap, but it feels like gold when it hits the spot where your hand used to hold.